Welcome, culinary enthusiasts. Get ready for a snack sensation. Like this video, and let's craft these incredible Za'atar honey-glazed crispy halloumi fries. First, take an 8-ounce block of halloumi and slice it into uniform half-inch thick sticks. Precision is key for even cooking. For ultimate crispiness, lightly dredge your halloumi sticks in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This forms a perfect crust. Now, in a skillet with 1/4 cup of olive oil, fry over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Or air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. While they cook, let's whisk up our irresistible glaze. Combine 1/4 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of fragrant Za'atar, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Whisk these together until perfectly combined. This sweet and savory blend is what makes these fries truly special. Once golden and crisp, immediately transfer the halloumi fries into your glaze. Toss gently to ensure every fry is beautifully coated. Serve immediately, perhaps with a touch more Za'atar and fresh herbs. So simple, so satisfying. Share this recipe with a fellow food lover. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious tutorials. Like if you found these steps helpful, and comment below on how your fries turned out. Happy cooking!